The current screen displays a list of Jobpack folders, each containing the manufacturing information relevant to individual operations on a part. So if I open a Jobpack, in this particular example, I'm automatically presented with an operator note that I must read before I can commence with manufacturing the part. Once I've read the note, the Jobpack is opened, displaying all the files. If I click on one, such as this photograph of the component, I can see a preview. Alternatively, if I wish to see the data full screen, I can select the View option from the top menu. And there's my engineering drawing of the part. I also have some control over this data, whether we wish to release it for use on the shop floor. You see we have some packs of information marked in red at the top. So the end cap, I'm told I need to exercise some caution, perhaps this is an unproven job. My sleeve, I'm told that I can't use this because we have a program that's been returned. It's been optimized on the shop floor and this is now waiting validation by production engineering.